As usual, candidates, you are going to analyze the role. What is the role of the company secretary in regards to board committee meetings? Now, the company secretary is the governance engine behind committee meetings, because it is the company secretary that helps with the preparation. It begins with preparation. And the company secretary facilitates the assembly of high quality board papers that provide the necessary context for committee members to make informed decisions. There is a role also in relation to compliance. Just like in a full board, during the committee meetings, the company secretary has to ensure that the company stays within its delegated powers and follows the rules set out in the terms of reference. There is also the question of minutes. During board meetings, documentation has to be done, and therefore documenting the committee's deliberations and recommendations is the work of the corporate secretary, and these minutes must be accurate as they become the official record, proving that the meeting exercised due diligence. There is a role of the company secretary in relation to reporting. The company secretary has a reporting role. The secretary has to ensure that the committee findings are formally presented to the main board during the next full board meeting. So these are the roles of the corporate secretary.